Okay, just want to show you it's a new feature I added for curtains. Instead of putting pieces of plastic up in the windows and that, this might work a little easier. I did the copper pipe. I can't use the plastic pipe; it's too thick for the hooks for it to go through like the copper pipe did. But each piece of copper pipe, left and the right side, are 5-foot sections. This piece that comes in the back that goes across is 43. The front is 43 too. So it's going to work really good once I hook or have something made to put on it. Can't drive around with it on it, but hey, it'll work. Strong. Ain't going nowhere. It's held up by the hooks. But just wanted to show you. It's a good way to do curtains for the van. Every van's different. Mine happens to be 5 foot on each side, 43 long. You got to get elbows too. You got to get 4 elbows. And then the front, if I wanted to, I can extend it by getting a T-pipe right here to where it'll still come across if you want to do it that way. But this way, you could extend it up to the front a little bit further, about 14, 15 more inches up. So this is a good way to hang curtains in here. I tried to use the white pipe. It was cheaper, but they wouldn't fit in these holes. Copper pipe slides right in there. So still building, still building.